you heard the news, my baby? Those from Newcastle town. They're now so young and pretty about how they robbed the house. They call them chicken faces, and they came here to stay. If you don't like the crazy music, just stand around and go away. Two guitars and big slave bass, there's a singer, two little drums. It's enough to blow your head up, move your bones all night long. They call them chicken faces, down there playing hard or load. I got a cat piece in my pocket. Just come with me to see the show. They're playing around from town to town, sharing their music to every people there. They're not playing for the money, just playing rock and roll. My baby, those from Newcastle town. They're now so young and pretty about how they rock the house. They call them chicken faces, down they came here to stay. If you don't, they